Hey guys, it's Mr. Wolfe here, and I'm going to be starting target one. So really, we're just going to be introducing this idea of momentum. And so you've probably heard this term before, and it's used a lot in sports, right? So if a team has a lot of momentum, it's on a roll, that team's hot, it's going to be hard to stop that team. And so when we think of something being difficult to stop, in physics, we're going to think of this word called inertia, right? So going back to Unit 1, inertia is that the tendency for an object to resist a change in motion. And so for inertia, it's directly going to be tied to mass, right? The more mass you have, the more difficult it's going to be to change its motion. For momentum, it's not just going to be inertia. It's not just going to be mass. It's going to be inertia in motion. And so mathematically, it's going to be the product of mass times velocity. So if we're going to just write this in equation format, P, which is going to represent momentum, is going to be equal to mass times velocity, mv. And so let's just kind of draw an arrow over here. P is going to be momentum, and the units for momentum are going to be mass, which is kilograms, times meters per second. So kilogram meters per second, kind of a messy unit. We could also have a different type of unit, and we're going to get to that in the next video. So here's momentum, just the introduction to it. It's just mass times velocity, that's it, and we're going to represent it as P. So I'm going to have you guys work on a couple practice problems.